Hi there and welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video today we're going to be making a gluten-free and dairy-free Choc cherry slice. You're going to need to set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and you're going to need a slice tin. So the dimensions of the slice tin will be in the instructions below. This is the first time I've made this recipe. It was received quite well at home and also at work. So I can say it is a recipe that works. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and please check out the other recipes I have on my YouTube channel. Well, if you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day and happy baking.